everyone, it's Mew here, and I have Ren with me, and we are going to be working on how to turn your Facebook group into an automated online funnel machine. Yay! So I'm going to be talking to Ren first because I'm interviewing her. So Ren, all right, just explain to me about your services, like the software that you're going to be talking about.
Yep, there's amazing softwares online, and a lot of people sometimes get drowned in all the options. So we simplify it. I love to demystify technologies, and there's so many free softwares. So we actually do this together and learn how to get your products and services online. And the great part, once you have that link, you can start to make these effortless sales. And then this is where the Mew part takes over, that when you combine that with your Facebook group, that's how we get our automatic, amazing little machine that generates sales. And so that is one of the strategies that I'm going to be teaching on this amazing class that we're doing on January 11th.
So it's all free software, and then once you create it, it's done. It's forever. You can use it forever.
Yep, yep,
Yeah.
yep.
And you know a lot about business because you created your own business. Can you tell us about that?
I've created a lot of businesses. So my very first business, I actually did $500,000 in sale every year. And I learned that there's some just core systems that help you run a business. So I sold that business, went on to create three more businesses that were totally different and the same systems, things like Gmail and optimizing what you're using. You get to use all these amazing things and be able to create money. And I love waking up to money all the time because it comes in email form nowadays when we make online sales.
And about talking about online sales, emails and stuff, I use my Facebook group, which I grew to 7.2K members in 1 year. And now that I'm not actively growing it, and because I talked to Ren, I decided, hey, I'm going to teach her how I got it to this point where, it's estimated that for every $1 of email address equals to $1 in sales every month. So if you have 4,000 email addresses, that's $4,000 of automatic sales every month through email marketing. So I hope you find this useful because it is going to be super hot.
It is super hot, and we're turning a lot of the stuff that people kind of think about or kind of know, though. How do we integrate it? They say email marketing's dead. How many times do we check our email a day, people? So how many times are you on Facebook a day? So how do you do those things and let it work for you and make money automatically? And that's what we're excited to do with our online funnel machine with Facebook groups.
Well, the thing about email marketing is that it is actually, you can actually study the analytics, what words work, what products works, and what doesn't work, and when you can, when do you sell your product. You can have that in your system. So, you might do trial and error for 1-2 months, and then it'll be and repeat.
Yep, that wash, rinse, repeat. Isn't that what we're all looking for? And
Yeah.
we work harder in the beginning and then we get years and years worth of amazing systems that generate money for us.
All right. So anything else that we should know about, Ren?
Well, you should definitely know the date and time. And there's a link connected to this video so you can make sure that you get all signed up and stay in the know and don't miss this incredible class. We're really excited to bring it to you.
Oh, and if anybody who's still afraid of tech, I want to tell you that we work with a lot of people who are not tech savvy, and we were able to walk with them step by step. And so don't be worried about tech. We'll make sure it would work for you.
Yup. So we
Yeah.
have a lot of happy people that are like, oh my gosh, you can make technology fun. And the investment that you put in your time to coming to this class will pay off so many dividends because you will learn a lot of ways to get technology to be your ally and to be a great friend in business for you.
All right. Okay. Well, hope to see you there.
We're excited.
Bye. Bye.